let's apply de Moivre's theorem to find all the sixth root of unity. In other words, we want to solve the equation z to the power 6 equal to 1. Let's write z in polar form. Z can be written as r cos theta plus I sin theta. Now de Moivre's theorem says z to the power 6 equal to r to the power 6 cos theta plus I sin theta whole thing to the power 6 is exactly equal to r to the power 6 cos of 6 theta plus I sin of 6 theta. 6 theta plus I sin of 6 theta. Now we are given z to the power 6 equal to 1. Let's take modulus both sides. Modulus of z to the power 6 equal to 1. That implies mod z to the power 6 equal to 1. That implies mod z equal to 1. What is r here? R is mod z, so r equal to 1. So we have z to the power 6 equal to cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. Now we want to solve the equation z to the power 6 equal to 1. Let's write 1 in polar form as well. That gives us cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta equal to 1 can be written as cos 2n pi plus I sin 2n pi. Clearly we see that 6 theta must be equal to 2n pi. That is theta equal to n pi by 3. When n equal to 0, comma theta equal to pi by 3, so z equal to r is 1 cos theta plus I sin theta, so cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. That equal to 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2. When n equal to 2, z equal to cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. That is equal to minus half plus I root 3 by 2. When n equal to 3, z equal to cos 3 pi, that is minus 1, and sin 3 pi is 0. When n equal to 4, z equal to cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus I into root 3 by 2. When n equal to 5, z equal to cos 5 pi by 3 plus I sin 5 pi by 3, which is equal to 1 by 2 minus I into root 3 by 2. When n equal to 6, z equal to cos 6 pi by 3, that is cos 0, which is 1. And sin 0 is 0. Plot those complex number on the Argand plane. Real axis, and then we have imaginary axis. Now when you take n equal to 1, we are having cos pi by 3 and I sin pi by 3. So this is the point cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. This is the point cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Let's write e to the power I 2 by 3. This is the point e to the power I 3 pi by 3. That is e to the power pi. That is cos pi plus I sin pi, which is minus 1. And this is the point e to the power I 4 pi by 3. This is the point e to the power I 5 pi by 3. And this is the point e to the power I 6 pi by 3. Let us join those points using a scale. So we obtain a regular hexagon. Further, we observe that modulus of each of those complex numbers are equal to 1. R is equal to 1. So let's draw a circle with center as the origin. And radius unity. Observe that all the sixth root of unity lie on a unit circle